Climate change and global warming. Tony Heller at realclimatescience.com exposes the fraud behind these theories. In 1998, NASA showed 1934 as the hottest year on record in the US, and declining temperatures for the rest of the century. They have since rewritten the data to eliminate the post-1930s cooling. 1998 used to be 1 degree Fahrenheit cooler than 1934, and now it is warmer. At realclimatescience.com, Mr. Heller provides scores of proofs of fraud and deception, including charts, maps, videos, historical articles and photographs which expose the myths of record heat/cold, vanishing glaciers and polar ice caps, record tornadoes, hurricanes, forest fires, sea level rise, etc. On July 21, 2019, Mr. Heller debunked latest heat wave hysteria promulgated by Union of Concerned Scientists, National Geographic, etc. The likelihood of hot July weather in the Midwest has plummeted since the 1930s, with all recent years being among the coolest on record. His attendant graphs, charts, and historical articles elaborate at realclimatescience.com. In the mid to late 1970s, the scientific/media consensus was we were headed for an ice age because temperatures had dropped dramatically since the 1930s Dust Bowl/extreme heat/drought period. This protracted cooling period occurred while CO2 was rising, debunking the correlation between CO2 and temperature rise. Lest you believe Mr. Heller is a one-off kook, here are a few more, among thousands, reputable skeptics: Patrick Moore, Greenpeace, John Coleman, Weather Channel, Joe Bastardi, meteorologist, Anthony Watts, what's up with that, John R. Christie, professor of atmospheric science, University of Alabama, Judith A. Curry, climatologist at Georgia Institute of Technology, Richard S. Lindzen, 1983 to 2013 professor of meteorology at MIT, and Bill Gray, Ph.D. William Gray, Colorado State U. Because of their contrarian views, most of them have suffered the wrath and fury of the alarmist community. Google their names and mixed with truths you'll find extreme bias and sophistry posted by devout believers or the misinformed. Mental stress and anxiety, especially among youngsters, is an unfortunate side effect of their false doomsday prophecies. Bastardi is an outspoken denier of human-induced global warming and therefore at odds with the scientific consensus. Dr. Judith Curry was recently called a heretic by Scientific American due to her views on climate science and public policy. Climate change has become a pseudo-religion embraced by zealots. Some have theorized that with the decline of religion, humanity's need for a cause has fallen upon the environment and climate change. Either you're a well-received believer or a despicable heretic, worthy of stoning.